Good evening to all of my viewers on YouTube. It's Angel from Angel's Car Reviews. It is another day in which to excel. This evening, I present you a full in-depth tour and walk-around look at the new 2023 Honda Passport AWD. And this could be a full in-depth tour of the Passport. I'm going to start it up. I'm also gonna pop the hood and show the engine, the exterior and the interior throughout the video, and I will also show how the headlights and the hazard works throughout the documentary of this vehicle. And so, without further ado, let's go and start it up. Let it run. Here goes the key fob. It does have a little start. Simple as that. The Passport does have a smart key access system. Get the key fob in your pocket. As you can see, the vehicle is a lot of to do. Tap the button to lock it, and then after wait a second, put your hand behind the door handle, and it unlocks the vehicle. The color of the exterior is blue. With black leather interior. Sorry about the glare. The Passport does have a push-button ignition. All to do is just get the key fob in the vehicle, and then you put your foot on the brake and hit a button to start the engine. And this vehicle does have an automatic sliding seat when you start the vehicle. And this car only has about 12,000 miles on it. That's a pretty low mileage for a year-old car. It's not bad for a 1-year-old. Sweet. Full spoke, rubber steering wheel. Very smooth power steering. Coming to the transmission, you have a 9-speed automatic transmission. Alright, so let's turn on the hazards. The headlights, we're gonna turn on the headlights. The headlights are automatic. Both the front windows are automatic. And let's check out the exterior. Passport logo on the door cells. Okie dokie. You do have your power windows, power locks, lock window switch. It's got memory seats, storage down there, full power seats. This car does have a tilt wheel. It's not telescopic. Check this out. This is your fuel economy. You can save for gas. Park hill assist, traction control, the power mirrors. This car was made in November of 2022. So this is an early 2023. All right. Let's go and pop the hood. Okay, under the hood you will find is a direct 3.5 liter V6 engine with 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. There's your washer fluid, your battery, and your engine coolant. Perfect. Let's come pop the fuel cap. Locks in place, with your fuel cap. Okay, you do have your temperature, your digital tachometer, your fuel gauge, and your digital speedometer. Coming to the center stack, you do have your AM/FM radio with SiriusXM satellite radio. I don't want to get a copyright. Dual zone automatic climate control, your temperature, different zones, fan speed, your recirculation, air conditioning, automatic. You do have your rear climate, front defrost, rear defrost, heated seats for the driver and passenger. You can charge your phone here. That's pretty cool. USB power outlet, cup holders. You can put the key fob in the cup holder too. Storage. I like the center console of the Passport. That's pretty cool. I like the Honda Pilot a little bit. One touch automatic sunroof. Sweet. You do have your paddle shifters on the back of the wheel. Turn signals. The temperature is 87 degrees. Your cruise control is on the right. It's on the right. You do have the red map wheel on it. Menu controls on the wheel. Volume controls. Voice command, Bluetooth. What else? Oh yeah, the parking brake is foot operated. Okay, what else? You do have your auto dimming with a mirror, garage home link. Sunglass container. Interior map lights. I love this interior. Windshield wipers. High speed and low speed as well. Very, very nice. All right. And let's go and shut down the Passport. Don't forget to grab the key fob as always. Let's go and shut it down. Watch this. Nice. Let's check the back seat. To my pockets, rear air vents, USB. Oh, you also do have your 2 USBs down here. Cup holders. Interior map lights. Oh yeah, don't forget, more cup holders on each side. Okay, now let's open the trunk, shall we? Now there are 2 ways to open the trunk. You can press the button on the trunk, or you can press the button on the remote. I'm actually gonna press it on the remote. Check this out, you can fold down the rear seats. Watch this. That's pretty cool. And this one too. Awesome. I love it. Another power outlet. Let's close the trunk. Review camera. Power passenger seats. Good size glove box. Perfect. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed my full in-depth tour and walk around look at the new 2023 Honda Passport all-wheel drive. Please don't forget to leave a like down below because it certainly helps the videos a lot. And if you haven't subscribed already, consider doing that too. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. This is Angel's Car Reviews, sign off. Thanks for watching and goodbye.